Hey! Finally! Dumating na tayo sa pang-anim na challenge. Today, the last challenge that I'm going to have and talk about it is about the senior moment thing. The six is the tips. Yes, the tips. That is the sixth real talk challenge for me, and I'm very excited because matatapos na rin ang challenge, but I work hard for that. Okay, thank you for this opportunity that I can talk, I can smile, I can laugh. I can laugh in front of the camera. So anyway, my number 6 challenge will be about tips. Tips, okay? T-I-P-S, tips. I-summarize natin ang mga challenges na nagawa ko. Unang challenge ko ay tungkol sa earnings. Number 1, earnings. Number 2, earnings, followers. Number 3, achievements. Salamat, na-memorize ko pa rin. Achievement, then bats, and then after sa bats is star sender, yun ba? Teka sandali ha. Earnings, followers, achievement, then bots, then star senders, and the next one, verse 6, will be tips. So, summary natin yung yung maalala ko lang ha. Maalala ko lang. Una ay yung earnings. So, binanggit ko ang tungkol sa earnings. Magkaka-earn tayo kapag tayo ay sumunod sa lahat ng mga guidelines. We have to follow all the guidelines, the policies, we have some guidelines, and then magkaka-earn tayo. At ako nagkaka-earn noon konti, pero kung hindi tayo susunod if we don't follow the guidelines and the policies of the platform, so magkakaroon, wala tayong maging earnings. So dapat ay mag-follow tayo sa mga instruction, mga policies ng Facebook. So that is earning, and then of course magkaka-earn tayo, will be earning kung quality ang ating quality, at saka sabi ko, nalaman ko, trusted, quality and trusted. Magkaka-earn tayo. Then, number 2, ang natin is earning. Number 1 is earning, and number 2 is followers. So, we are summarizing what I have discussed a few days ago. So, followers, sabi ko, binanggit ko yon. I made mention about from 0 followers ako noon. At I tried my best, and I tried to follow the guidelines. Yung maalala ko lang, hopefully, na hindi ko makalimutan yan dahil senior moment. So, followers, 0 followers ako hanggang dumating na ang mga thousands of followers. So, thanks to Facebook. So, yan ang followers. Number 2, nagkaroon ako ng maraming followers. Nag-follow ako sa ibang content creators. I give likes, I give my comments, I give my share, and then all of a sudden, nag-engage ako sa kanila. All of a sudden, sumulpot na, biglang nagkaroon ako ng followers. So I made mention about followers. Number 3, achievements. So, na-mention ko rin sa achievements. Ng achievements ko ay naging marunong. I learned how to face the camera and smile and talk the camera, and I learned to be acting, and then I learned to make reels. I learned how to pose, At yun ang mga achievements ko. At the most important achievements ko ay yung nagka-monetize ako. Na-monetize ako from my videos. Yan ang achievements ko. Ang achievements ko generally ay nag-improve ang personality ko. At yan ang achievement. Sa sunod na achievement ay badges. Sabi ko, naging fan buds ako. Fan buds. From fan buds hanggang nagkaroon ako ng mga badges na I have to tell you honestly, nagkaroon talaga ako ng mga badges. Pero nakalimutan ko yung badge na parang shout out ako, tapos nagpa-follow ako sa certain creators. You will have this kind of badges, but I forgot what's the name of that kind of badge. But learned the one that I didn't forget is the fan badge. Dahil fan badge ako sa isang creator, itong creator na ito. So anyway, I had badge, and yung badge ko for me, personality ay yung mga achievements ko rin. Nagkaroon ako ng badge. So yan ang badge. Next, yung badge ay yung star senders. So binanggit ko rin yun. Ang star senders ay yung mga taong very generous, very kind, na nagsisend sila ng stars sa ibang content creator. They're sending stars to other creators. So as I said, na ako'y nagkaroon ng stars, binigyan ako ng stars sa mga content creators na nag-ano sila sa akin, nag-appreciate sa video ko. At yung palang stars na inano nila, the stars that they sent to me will help me improve. So I got those stars, and recently I got stars. Thank you, Miss Cressy and Miss Mookie. Thank you, you've been sending stars, and thank you very much, appreciate it. So yan, star senders, nakakatulong yan sa mga content creators kasi nag-grow ang kanilang yung points nila. So that's star senders. Now is the tips. The six challenge, the Real Talk Challenge tips. So about the tips, I usually listen to the tutorial. There are some content creators who are very good. I really appreciate. Thank you. I always, when I see in the Facebook that you start talking about tips and help, very helpful, I really listen. I listen at repeat, watch again, because I want to learn from them. So ang mga tips na binanggit nila ay tungkol sa, hindi ko makalimutan talaga, is quality, excellent, and trusted. Kapag may quality daw ang video quality, gagawin yan ni Algo na magiging mag-grow talaga. It will grow. Halimbawa ako, yung ko video, quality, excellent, at saka trusted. So makikita ni Algo yan. Algo will try to make it grow, give it to other viewers. So and we should make it quality. I mean, another tips that I got from the tutorial lesson from ladies, the other content creators who give tutorials. They said that we should follow the guidelines of the community and the guidelines and policy that the Facebook had given to us as a content creator, or i-block tayo, isususpend tayo, or tayo, restricted or something like that. So we have to follow those guidelines as a content creator, and we should remember there should be no yung nagkakasakit ka, nag-utter, nagsasabi ka ng mga salita na hindi dapat sabihin. So, tandaan natin yan. At saka ito pa, because tips na yung music na dapat natin gawin ay dapat ay yung license sa license sa Facebook. Dapat hindi basta-basta tayong maggamit ng mga music na hindi license sa Facebook. Dahil yun I experienced that. I was so naive that I was trying to dance. I was trying to video about the dancing people, seniors, because my focus actually is loving life as seniors. Tapos post ng mga iba't ibang music. Yan pala ay hindi ko dapat gawin. Tips yun ha. Tips yun dahil ma-copyright, ma-copyright ang ating video. So, yan ang mga tips. Marami pang mga tips na nalaman ko from the tutorial that I was listening from the tutorial people na nagsasabi. Pero makalimutan ko yung tips, pero marami pa. Yun. Tandaan lang natin na as a content creator, dapat yung mga guidelines, may mga guidelines yun. Hindi basta-basta na mag-create tayo ng contents. May mga guidelines. They have guidelines, policies that we should follow. Be respectful to everyone, to each of the content creator. And we should be like, act like a human being that we never hurts feeling to somebody, to kapwa nating mga content creators. So, yon ang mga tips. At yun, natapos na ang aking challenge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I got it! Yeah. I'm proud of myself. I got it. Challenge 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Woo! Thank you for watching.